The whiskey is actually transferring to the top. This used to be the water, and then the water is transferring to the bottom glass, and
It's just
used to be the whiskey. Yeah, it's just
Wow.
switching. And you can see the whiskey going up to the water.
And you want to see what happens if we lift this bottle up?
And like, if you look on top of this, you can see the whiskey. If you look on bottom of this, you can see the water.
Once we're done, let's drink drink the water when it transfers to that one to see if it still tastes like whiskey.
So before I saw little bubbles coming up. Do you see them right now?
Those aren't really bubble. That's a whiskey.
That's
what it looks like. That's what whiskey looks like when it's in water.
So what kind of time frame do you guys think that this will last?
I would say about
5 minutes.
I don't know. 20.
Well, I don't know how long it'll even take to switch.
So how did you guys learn about this?
Shout out to the crazy Russian hacker.
And who's that?
It's a really awesome YouTuber.
Taras Cole.
Yeah, he does really cool experiments.
Really.
So can you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Chase.
I'm Ethan.
Come on.
Hello.
This is our laboratory.
There you go.
Nutty Buddy. Sponsored by Nutty Buddy. And Fitline.
So you saw this on a YouTube video?
Yes.
And that's what got you guys to do this scientific experiment?
Yep. Oh, there goes our brownies.
Tune in for our kitchen. They're so small.
And if you guys want to see, if you guys look back to our last episode, then you guys will see us making the brownies.
I wish.
Oh, I see it. You see that little,
Yeah, see how
like, yeah, there's
there's
a
little
cloud.
Yeah.
yeah, it transfers.
And there's the water down there. You can turn off the buzzer.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Chase.
Wow, look at that, you guys. Can you guys see that? See how it's transferring? The water is down here. The whiskey's up there.
There's a crazy Russian
Water
hacker.
down here. Whiskey up here. Now the whiskey was in the bottom cup, right guys?
Yep, it was in the bottom cup.
And now it's going up to the top cup.
Mm-hmm.
But it's going on up to the top of the top cup.
Not staying down at the bottom. It's
Right,
floating
and the
all the way
water's
up.
going down
See,
to the bottom.
It's about halfway. It's probably been about 5
minutes.
Yeah,
Here's
something
the
like
crazy
that.
Russian hackers channel.
So that's who you learned this from, huh?
Mhm.
Ethan, how often do you YouTube? To, like, different things like that to learn?
Like learning all this. Like all
Well,
the
whatever you learn.
experiments.
Yeah, the different things you like to learn on YouTube.
Every day.
Every day?
Mm-hmm. And then there's the other channel.
I was just going to ask you that. What other channels do you watch on YouTube?
Well, here's the other channel, which is Taras Cole, which is his second channel.
Cool. I know you said that he's got a really good camera and he does, what did you say? Certain types of videos. Chase and Ethan are my grandsons.
We are.
Yeah. Her.
He also does.
And if you guys don't have extra card that you would, like, if you don't want to use a card that can't be ruined or something, I wouldn't recommend doing this because this is ruining the card. It's like getting all wet.
Like a lot.
Okay.
If you can see right there, it's getting a little wet.
And there,
It
the
focuses.
channel for Crazy Russian Hacker he also does life
there.
hacks.
So,
And it's getting wet right here too,
yeah.
in the corners.
Let's see. I want to find one of his life hacks.
Oh yeah, Crazy Russian Hacker. Cool. Also does life hacks.
Is that almost done?
Yeah.
So what do you do when it's done? What do you do?
What do you just do? Like put it back and just flip it over.
Oh, like take it off from the card
Yeah.
and
Just
lift
like
it up?
how we put it on,
So,
except the whiskey's gonna be on top.
oh, look at that. The whiskey is up here now.
Pretty
Wow,
cool.
it is pretty cool. How do you think that happens?
It's a chemical reaction, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like baking soda and vinegar.
I wonder what would happen.
What does baking soda and vinegar do?
It expands. I don't know how to really
Or like
explain it, but
Mentos and Diet Coke.
yeah.
What does Mentos and Diet Coke do?
Makes it fizz up and go.
Oh.
But even a better idea is to do it with pool chlorine.
It'll
Kind of like a volcano?
Yeah.
Yes, it will shoot up.
Yeah.
Like,
Because I
fall.
know you guys had volcano experiments in school, didn't you?
I did.
At one time? Oh, Naomi did.
I did.
Okay.
Well, pool chlorine with Diet Coke is awesome. And also, we've seen that by the crazy Russian hacker.
So, as we said before, as Chase said, don't try this without adult supervision. Because you just don't know. You guys don't want to get in trouble for using one of the cards out of a really good deck of cards.
And alcohol.
And alcohol.
Yeah, and alcohol.
I wonder what would happen if you used vodka.
You wouldn't see it switch.
Exactly.
Right.
What if it just goes pop?
Yeah, it's almost done. Probably about another 5 minutes, something like that.
It's going.
Okay. So, everybody, you can see how this is going.
And also, if you guys want to see more experiments, go to the channel of Crazy Russian Hacker or to Ross Cole.
Make
Okay.
sure you like us.
Like us, yeah.
Ethan, where are you guys going to post this video when you're done with it?
Facebook. Yeah.
You can post that on your channel.
Oh, I could. Couldn't I?
Yeah.
Make that you punch the subscribe button for us.
Okay.
Yeah,
Ethan,
punch
do
the
you
crap
have your
out
own YouTube channel?
No.
Well, I guess we got to take care of that, don't we? So, that way you can become known like the Crazy
Crazy
Crazy Russian hacker.
Crazy. What'd I say, Razy?
Yeah, you're like Crazy. You're like Crazy Russian Hacker. I don't know.
I
You're
was
like,
gonna say Razy Crushing.
As you can see, there's a little bit trouble on our things.
yeah, I just cut.
Okay.
I'm joking.
So, as I said, this is Ethan right here. This is Chase. Yeah. Tammy Lee's 2 grandsons.
Yes.
And
Peace.
they are bringing joy to this house and to themselves by doing really crazy, fun science experiments. And look, it's almost 3/4 done.
Sweet.
So join us for more crazy fun that we will bring to you at a later time.
Peace.